Okay, start.
Sudah ground test sudah okey Bagus. Okey.
Macam mana nak tahu kena stop kat ni?
Ada bunyi satu pip. Pip.
Oh, pip.
Dia tak ada bunyi.
Dia akan berhenti sendiri.
Kalau kau teruskan pun dia takkan pergi.
Tak, kalau ni kita makin kat sini lah. Kat mana
Tak payah marking, dia habis dah.
Dia
tak,
tak.
takut dia terangkat sebelum benda tu habis.
Oh dia macam ni. Sebab new line kau kena press. Kau press.
Tak, bukan maksud aku dia tarik ni.
Maksud dia angkat sebelum
Kat
habis.
mana dia nak kena angkat?
Ah.
Aku dia ingat dah habis dia angkat.
Bila dengar tak ada bunyi kerak stop lah tu. So dia punya start point tu yang penting.
Kalau start point ni.
Dia ada satu lah dia punya tayar dia
Luar
letak.
area. Aduh. Betul? Kau kena tengok ni sampai ni.
Apalah dia buat dia punya alignment, nanti saya ikut dia punya style lah. Ini nampak kemas juga.
Kalau dia ikut line ni, kalau kita stopper habis ni.
Kena ada buat satu.
No, as long we know if they use the end, then it will start. So we got so much here.
I know but
All we need is to mark here where we want this one to stay. Once we mark here, every time they put there, then we can start from here. It will give us where we.
the gun where to start. Otherwise this one will be
No, if you see now, where's your reference you take just now? Which one is your guide?
The end of this week.
So I will tell my people put end of this. So if you measure from here where you want the printer, now we see this is where. So I can adjust this. If I come in here, this will start to be here.
No, but I mean is if we don't start at the same point here,